Love you. That's great stuff seeing out here. Yeah, I feel like somebody that fuck up me go down. That was a good run, man.
That was a good run. What? Oh, sorry.
Okay, miss. Yeah? It's cold up there. That was good stuff. For a bunch of old fuckers, we ain't too bad. Yeah. That's from Enjoy Racing in T-Town in Texas. I got a new triangle coming in. Yeah, I figured that out after that. I had clear plastic wrap. Yeah, you put tire. Brian, I've never introduced you. Brian, sorry, Brian, my wife, Ashley, Brian.
Ashley, nice to meet you.
He's one of your Colorado brothers from out there.
Can you high five? You know high five, don't you?
Boom, give him a high five. Give him a high five. Give him a knuckle. Boom.
Number 7.
Know where we're at? Is that where we're at? You don't got water in there, do you?
Yeah, you better. Okay, yeah. 4 pounds out of the front.
Thank you, baby. Dude, that's 3 times I've gone down that. I went down twice today on Da Vinci's Code. Can we do like faux show shit like that now? Huh? This, yeah.
That's so familiar. I'm like, that's weird.
All right, come on.
Oh, speaking of bleeding, I had a nasty bloody nose. Like, I was scared.
A bloody nose?
Like, I was even throwing it up. Like, it was bad.
Good thing you're all right.
I was like, oh my god, Miss Mommy or you? There's blood everywhere. I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah, you go sure? You sure about this?
Yeah, I think it was just dry.
I fell down and they had to call medical to get me up.
Yeah. He dusted it off.
I rubbed dirt on it and shred.
Oh look, you go with a guide.
Put your bikes on and ride with your daughter.
Hold on, babe, I'm gonna ride with y'all. Good idea. Fucking A, I'm glad you're thinking for me.
Hey, they're gonna ride together. Look at my bird feet, dog. You guys gonna split up? Yeah, we'll just split up. They're gonna ride together. They can give me my bird. Oh, you want your bird? Awesome. Let's fall right behind this chair, guys. And let's get the little one in the middle. That way you guys can both look at it.
Hey, May, you ready? You ready, May? Let's go, girls.
Woohoo! Oh my goodness!
Yeah, we'll get done.
Oh my goodness.
What do you think, Maze? You like it?
Tractor, Mama. That is a tractor. I see him. You did? Oh, it's beautiful.
First time on the lift, huh, Mama?
Look at the view, May.
Water, Mama.
I see the water, babe. Did you wave to Dad? Say hi, Daddy. Did you say happy birthday, Daddy? Did you tell her?
Say, Mommy, that was yesterday. You're confusing me.
You can have another birthday. Wow, this is beautiful, May. Look at you sitting like a big girl. I'm so proud of you. You're the cutest. Can I hold your hand? Oh, I love you so much.
No.
I know, they're beautiful.
So y'all can ride this all day long if you want, huh?
Yeah, I figured because knowing her, she'll probably want to go again.
Yeah, why
Yeah,
not?
the lady was like, well, it's 17. They usually don't want to ride. I was like, no, she likes to do things over and over again.
Yeah.
So I was like, I'll just pay the 28.
Yeah, exactly. What do you think, Maze? You like it? It's nice, huh? Look at all the pretty trees. I saw a really pretty bird earlier. I saw one of the prettiest birds I've ever seen in my life. He was probably about the size of my fist, maybe smaller. He was yellow, red, and black.
Is Jamie up there waving?
Say Mr. Jamie. Hi, Mr. Jamie. Look, May Mace. Look behind you, May Mace. Look. Look at the mountains.
This is cool,
Wow.
May. Oh, look at all the trails.
Yeah, that drop. I do that drop right there. A lot of guys just stare at
It's
it.
a lot faster than what I thought. What do you think? Okay. I'm glad you know that you need to be close to mom, huh? Be safe. I love you.
That Bessie is really going down.
Going down.
Yes. Y'all are gonna stay on. Oh, y'all should probably do a whole. No, y'all gonna go. Y'all gonna get
down
off.
and look
Yeah,
around,
yeah,
I
yeah, yeah,
guess.
yeah. I guess. Let me look back that way.
Oh, pretty.
Pretty, huh, Maze? See if there's any birds. Let's look for birds, okay? In the trees. Look for birds in the trees. See if we find some.
You okay? This is neat. Oh, you look like such a cool kid with your shades on.
She is a cool kid, Mom.
Yeah, I see him.
I see that, baby. Your shoes are cute. Just like cute. Oh, let me see them. Oh, wow. Look at your view now.
Oh, that's gonna be pretty going by. I wonder if when we go back again, she's gonna want to come back up, but we'll have to get off.
You
of
keep
there.
your eye on those clouds.
Yeah.